I gotta get off and I gotta pick him up. Big enough, lads, in fact. Welcome back, people, and behind me sits my WR450F, which I just bought from an old friend of mine, and he assured me it was working. It doesn't. I tried starting it, smoke's coming from the wires and the battery, none of the lights work, brakes are seized, back shock's gone, front fork seals are gone. Pretty much it's going to need a full strip down. So let's begin. So let's have a closer look. Clearly see the fork seals are leaking there, and they are leaking there. Discs are rusty, brake pads are non-existent. I don't know if you can see that. Tyres are gone, the front tyre's gone. Some cheap crap front brake light. Rear tyres flat and gone. Brake pads non-existent. Disc is not as rusty as the front. Let's have a look. No coolant in the coolant box. Chain stretched. Oh, can I see that there? Back shock's gone. Can you see the bumper at the bottom? That's gone. And front pipe's bent. That's bent. Stanchions are losing its colour. Clutch lever is snapped. Do it from this way. I mean, look, it doesn't. All the wires are free in there. Oh. Let's have a look at the airbox. Oh, look at that. Eat the food out of there, can you? Oh, there's a good side of the bumper. See the bumper? Back shock's gone. Sagging the back end. So that's pretty much it. There's the cover. It has 3 owners of 5,000 kilometers, give or take, and they are hard kilometers. I had a logbook, set it off with it, and it was see it comes, so which is always good, which is not stolen. You can't even trust your mates, can you, really? But it's fair to say he sold it because he was on his last knees. He was on his last legs. That's a better way to put it, isn't it? So everyone takes the mick out of me because I buy bikes and I had to strip them down. But how can you write this around? It's just it has to be stripped down. I don't want to strip it down. It's just I can be seen dead riding this jalopy. So I'm gonna bang it on the stand, on the center stand, and start taking parts off and see where we go. So watch your space and tune in.
You can't park that here. Everybody can relax. I found the car. Needs some suspension work and shocks and brakes, brake pads, lining, steering box, transmission, rear end. How much? Only 4,800. Maybe new rings, also mufflers, a little wiring.
And I forgot to point out that someone's been doing wheelies and can't wheelie well enough, and has flipped it. So and they've cut it down. Lee, I told you one day I'll teach you up the wheelie, mate. Until then, leave it to the big boys. Joker.
I'm good. Why don't you go back in and take that shower so you can get a shirt on? One knows. One down, 4 up.
So first things first, we're going to undo the seat. And this is a 10 mil. On that side. Now what appears to be a 13, which means one of them is not a stock bolt. This looks like it's this one. So there we go. Oop, and we have a 10 mil on the bottom. Can you see the bottom one I'm doing? No. There we go. There. There we go. Now you can put the bolts back in so you don't lose them. If they're the original ones. If they don't look original, then throw them out and buy new. So there we go. Yeah. The back end of the bike. Whoopsie-daisy. It looks like the whole back end is held on with 10 mil bolts. So the 13 mil would be the wrong one. Nice and stiff. Lee, there's a new invention out and it's called grease. Copper slip. Try some. Believe me, make your life a lot easier, and mine. Go, just pop them back in. If it wants to go back in. Ooh. Oh, that doesn't look good at all. Would that go? That come out of there, did it? Couldn't have come out of that one, could it? It's only bolt on the floor. Anyway, if you do get a bolt out of a pad, then put it straight back in. And if it's a genuine one, then you won't lose it. Ah, I found the slippery little sucker. Try to get away, no chance. Get in there. As dry as they come, that is. Remove the tank strap. Ooh. And look at the lovely bolt again. Another genuine bolt. Wink wink. You can only see my face on camera. There we go. Junk. Absolute junk. Who would put that in someone's radiator? Look at that. Not even worth keeping. Straight into the bin. Oh, look. He's ruined me. Thanks, Lee. You put a genuine bolt in there. Laugh too soon. Laugh too soon. That looks like a 10 to me. Is that a 10? Yes, it is. You know, it's probably a better spanner than that. And it's called a socket. So if I get the 10 mil on the socket. Good old Betsy. Come on, here.